Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to speak to you about my skincare journey. And I know that some of the things that I'm going to mention to you will be really helpful for achieving your own best skin. Before I get into this video though, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything here. All right, my skincare journey. So something that I've been using for a really long time now is Vichy's Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Booster. This is great for all skin types. It's formulated for all skin types. It's great for dehydrated skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it'll really hydrate your skin, plump up your skin so that the look of fine lines is greatly reduced. It contains Vichy's volcanic water, which has 15 great minerals in it that really boost skin health. So this is great for daily maintenance of your skin. It'll really boost that glow and again the hydration of your skin. I have really combination skin, so it's oily through the T-zone, but I noticed that the corners of my mouth get really dry along with my forehead. The Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Booster was really great for just getting rid of that flaky, dry skin. When my skin gets really dry, I tend to scratch because it gets itchy and that leads to hyperpigmentation, so I really wanted to curb that. Recently, Vichy released the Mineral 89 Probiotic Fractions. So it's similar to the Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Booster, except it is targeted for stressed, sensitized skin. So let's say you are suffering from red, irritated, inflamed skin. So this is hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. It won't make you break out. It contains 4% niacinamide, which is awesome. I love niacinamide for helping with acne. It's also great for brightening and evening your skin tone. So this also contains 5% probiotic fractions. What are probiotic fractions? So this helps balance the skin's microbiome barrier. That in turn helps with redness and inflammation. This will soothe redness and inflammation. So this also contains 80% volcanic water. Vichy's volcanic water contains 15 skin strengthening minerals. So you'll really see a boost in the skin's resistance. It really reinforces the skin. So just another quick rundown of the differences between these two great serums. So the Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Booster, it's suitable for all skin types. It is great for the daily maintenance of skin. This serum is awesome for boosting the health of your skin barrier. It is your hydration savior with all the hyaluronic acid in this serum. If your skin needs a little bit of a boost, a little bit of a glow, reach for this. It also contains 89% volcanic water and hyaluronic acid. And on the other hand, Vichy's Mineral 89 Probiotic Fractions, while it's suitable for all skin types, it really is targeted for those with stressed, sensitized skin. It contains 4% probiotic fractions, 4% niacinamide. It will help you out if you have a dull complexion, suffer from redness and irritation, and have stressed skin. So, you know, let's say you're a bad sleeper and your skin looks a little rough in the morning, or, you know, you see the effects from smoking. Arm yourself with this. It'll really, you know, give your skin some life. So the Mineral 89 Probiotic Fractions is fragrance-free. There are no colorants in it whatsoever. Again, it's 100% hypoallergenic, so it is wonderful for sensitive skin. It has a really beautiful texture as well, a really nice slip, and feels really comfortable on skin when you apply it. So I'm just gonna show you the texture. It is really lovely. On very warm days, I will use this after a run because my skin gets quite dry and I won't need a moisturizer after it. I often do use moisturizers, but yeah, it's quite good, especially in the summertime. So lastly, how do you use these? Where do they fit in your skincare routine? I would use them at the very beginning of your skincare routine after you cleanse your face. After that, you can use whatever other serums you need. and then your SPF, your sunscreen. Both of these serums are suitable for use in both the morning and at night. What I like to do is go ahead, do my skincare routine. I let all of those beautiful products absorb into my skin, so I'll wait. I'll do my skincare routine about 20 minutes before bed. That 20 minutes will allow everything to absorb into my skin so that it's not rubbing off onto my pillow. So I'm not wearing any makeup. I do have a little tinted lip balm on, and I just want to show you what it's like to apply on your face. So I just use 3 or 4 drops, but feel free to use more or less based on what your skin needs. You just rub it gently in between your hands. There you go. And apply to skin. And you know, no need to be too rough. Apply slowly. Savor that application process. It's, you know, part of my self-care routine is enjoying every step of applying everything in my skincare routine at night. I feel like it's become part of my nighttime routine and helps me sleep. So just look at that. Look at the glow it gives already. And here, I just want to show you. There we go. Look at that. It's just such a great serum. It's got such a comfortable slip. It's so nice to put on. It's both refreshing and comforting at the same time. Yeah, this will be in my skincare routine forever. So I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of my own skincare journey. When I hit puberty, when I was in my teens, my skin was terrible. I had terrible acne. We all know that kids can be cruel. I got teased a lot, and that really made my self-confidence take a hit. So when I turned 25 years old, Ryan proposed to me, and I decided to take control of my skin because I wanted to walk down the aisle feeling beautiful, feeling like the most beautiful I've ever been in my whole life. And I wanted to wear this beautiful strapless wedding gown that I had seen, and there was no way that my acne was gonna hold me back. So I went and saw a dermatologist. She put me on a really heavy-duty acne medication that, while it worked like gangbusters, it was so effective, the side effects were terrible. And I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. So, you know, it cleared up my acne completely, and I walked down the aisle. I felt really beautiful, but while the medication curbed the acne for a few years, it did come back. So, you know, in my 30s, it came back. I had terrible bacne as well, and I was over it. I went and saw another dermatologist, and I just started doing research on how to clear up my skin and how to maintain healthy skin. I learned a lot when I became certified as an esthetician, and that really helped as well. I learned that my skin loved niacinamide. It really cleared up my acne, and not only that, it really sped up the fading of hyperpigmentation left over from pimples. I then incorporated hyaluronic acid serum into my skincare routine because it just gave me such a nice glow. And I noticed, especially like if I drank too much the night before and my skin was dehydrated because I was dehydrated overall, that really helped my skin. It gave my skin a brightness and a glow that was, you know, incomparable. I also incorporated a retinol. So I noticed that it was key in getting rid of acne scarring. It also really evened out my skin tone and made my skin look bright and even. Like for years I had hyperpigmentation around my mouth, which made me look like I had 5 o'clock shadow, and I noticed that the retinol creams just completely got rid of that. My skin is the most even it has ever been at the tender age of 43. So that's basically my skincare journey. All of these products I use daily without fail. The retinol actually I will use only twice weekly because it can be a little irritating, but boy, these really helped my skin, and I am confident, I know that they would help your skin as well. I feel that, you know, hyaluronic acid based serums were key for that glow that I love. Any excess hyaluronic acid serum that I use, I always put on the backs of my hands and onto my chest, onto my décolleté, and that has just given me that glow that I'm famous for. Anyways, I am going to wrap up this video here. I hope that you really took something out of my skincare journey and the serums that I've shown you. Vichy's Mineral 89 Probiotic Fractions is now available at your favorite drugstore. Be sure to give it a try, especially if you have stressed or sensitized skin. It is great. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me along on Instagram. I would love that. You guys are the greatest. Anyways, until the next video, have a glorious day. Mwah!